Welcome to the North Pole, the most magical place on Earth. This is where the magic of Christmas happens. And it all begins with the children's Christmas wishes. Every year, kids from all around the world send their wishes to Santa. Some ask for toys, some ask for fun adventures, and some wish for something very special. But how does Santa know what every child wants?
I wish for a shiny red toy car. A shiny red toy car for Timmy? That's a wonderful wish. Let's get to work, elves.
Once Santa knows what the children want, it's time for the elves to make the magic happen. The elves are the best toy makers in the world, and they work day and night to create all the toys on Santa's list.
Hello everyone, we love making toys for all the good boys and girls around the world. Every toy is made with love and a little sprinkle of Christmas magic.
All right, elves, we're on a tight schedule. Let's finish up the toys and get them ready for delivery.
Once the toys are all made, it's time for the most magical part of Christmas Eve, loading Santa's sleigh. The reindeer are always ready for their big flight, and Santa's sleigh is packed full of presents for every good boy and girl.
Everything looks perfect. Now let's make sure the reindeer are ready.
As the clock strikes midnight, Santa's sleigh takes off into the night sky, glowing with magic. With a flick of his wrist, Santa guides the sleigh through the stars to deliver gifts all around the world.
Onward, my trusty reindeer. We have a lot of homes to visit tonight.
Santa visits every house in the world on Christmas Eve. He slides down chimneys, fills stockings, and leaves presents under the tree, all while the children are fast asleep, dreaming of their magical gifts.
One more house to go.
And when Christmas morning arrives, the magic is revealed. Children wake up to find the gifts they've been dreaming of, thanks to Santa and his helpers. And with every toy delivered, Santa's job is done for another year, and the North Pole is quiet once again until next Christmas.
Good night, children of the world. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a magical night.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!